Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix loud buzzing and whining noise that's coming from the dash on 2017 Ford Explorer, but this is also gonna be the same for all the Ford Explorers from 2011 and all the way up to 2019. Now I'm gonna start this vehicle and you will be able to hear that loud buzzing whining noise. And if you have the same noise, I'm gonna show you where it's coming from and how to fix it. So this is the whining buzzing noise, and it's coming from the dash, right from this opening here. See, the noise changes when I kind of hit it a little bit. That noise is made by a HVAC cabin air temperature sensor that's located right inside there, and it looks like that. So right in the middle there is a little fan, and that's most likely creating that whining like siren noise. So I have a brand new one. I'm gonna replace it. And it's actually very easy process. You don't have to take too much dash apart. The only thing you'll have to take apart is this front plastic piece that's surrounding the speedometer. Before you start taking this plastic piece apart, you wanna lower your steering wheel all the way down. And for that job I'm gonna be using like plastic pry bar. And I'm gonna start prying it out from very bottom. So we have clips, I believe there's two clips right on the bottom on each side, and then two clips right on the top, approximately like one is here and one right there. So one and two clips. Like I said, we're gonna start from the bottom portion. So you wanna stick your prying tool kind of right in the corner here, and then try to pry it out. Goes very easily. So we have one side out. We're gonna switch to the other side. So the same thing on the other side. Just gently pry it out. Now we have both of the lower portion out, and you can already see your temperature sensor right behind that plastic cover. But in order to take it completely out, we will have to pry out the top portion of that plastic trim. So I couldn't film that part because I was using both of my hands. What basically you want to do, you want to, with both of your hands, you want to grab in the back of that plastic right here on the both sides. Now you can see where your clips, and just pull it towards yourself, and that should pop out. Now at this point we have that part completely loose, and I also turned the engine off so we can unplug it. I'm gonna check the new one. So this piece is held by these two tabs, so you kind of wanna press them in and pull that out, and then unplug the connector from it. So we see we have one tab right here. Just gonna press on it and pull it out. So once I pressed on that first tab, the other one just pop out, and now the only thing is left is to unplug this connector. So we're gonna do that by pressing this tab here, and then just we're gonna pull that out. So here I have my old temperature sensor. I don't know, maybe sometimes you can just clean it up good and try to plug it back in, see if it's still making that noise. I tried that once in the past, but it didn't work. It didn't work for me, so I'm just gonna replace it with a brand new one. So when you're installing brand new one, first you wanna plug it in, and then you wanna put it back into the housing. I have the new one plugged in, and now just gonna put it in the housing. Okay, I'm gonna put it back into the housing, so you see this is the direction it needs to go, just like that. Wanna make sure it clicks in on the both sides, so it's nicely secured. There we go. Clicked on the both sides. Now we're just gonna push back this plastic trim. I'm gonna start from the top this time. You make sure those plastic pins go in the holes. Now you wanna, before you push it in, you wanna align it properly, and now when it's all aligned, you can just simply push it in. Actually, I'm gonna push the bottom first. There's a nice click there, nice click there, and now you have top part. Also just wanna push it in this side and that side. So that's all done. I'm gonna start the vehicle to see if that noise is gone now. Yeah, I can't hear it anymore, so this whining noise is fixed. Thanks for watching.